Hi, this is Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, I am making chicken and waffles casserole. So exciting. This recipe originated from the Wells Supper Club, and that is in Harlem, New York.
Was that a jazz club?
It is a jazz club. This recipe is super cool for camping because you almost have to do absolutely nothing. Everything is pretty much pre-made in the frozen section of your supermarket. Super easy, kids will love it, and it's delicious because it uses real maple syrup too. The recipe, including all the products you see here, including the toaster, will be in the description below. Do us a huge favor, click that like button, hit that notification bell, and please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I'm excited to cook. Let's cook.
So for this part of the recipe, we are using a folding camping toaster, or as I like to call it, the tostador. And we're going to toast the Eggos on here.
Just checking on these chicken and waffles. Perfect. By the way, my favorite jazz artist, Charlie Parker.